In this video, we get to know the X-47B, $1.5 billion stealth unmanned aircraft. The X-47B is an unmanned aircraft developed by the United States. This aircraft has stealth capabilities or is not detected by enemy radar. Developed by Northrop Grumman, the X-47B is designed to perform autonomous aerial reconnaissance, surveillance, and attack missions. With a length of about 11 meters and a wingspan of about 19 meters, the X-47B has an aerodynamic shape that allows it to fly at high speeds and sophisticated maneuvers. This aircraft is also equipped with advanced technology, such as an automatic navigation system and highly sensitive sensors. The X-47B uses a powerful jet engine to travel at supersonic speeds. Its speed and long distance allow this aircraft to carry out long-distance missions without the need to be manned by a human pilot. Thus, the risks to human pilots on dangerous missions are reduced. In addition, the X-47B also has the ability to carry and use weapons. This aircraft can carry various types of missiles and bombs to carry out high-precision airstrikes. With its stealth technology, the X-47B can approach enemy targets without being detected and launch deadly attacks. The X-47B has undergone a series of operational trials and missions. This aircraft has been proven capable of carrying out missions effectively and accurately. The successful development of the X-47B marked a major step forward in unmanned aircraft technology and gave the United States an edge in the air battle. However, there are also concerns about the use of drones, such as the X-47B. Some fear that the development of these aircraft could lead to uncontrolled use of weapons and loss of human control over military operations. Therefore, it is important to regulate and supervise the use of drones carefully. With its advanced expertise and capabilities, the X-47B is one of the most advanced unmanned aircraft owned by the United States. With a manufacturing cost of around $1.5 billion, the aircraft is a significant investment in the country's defense and air power. The X-47B also has advantages in terms of mobility and reaction speed. Compared to traditional fighter aircraft manned by human pilots, the X-47B can quickly respond to changing situations by performing extreme maneuvers and avoiding enemy attacks. This aircraft is also equipped with a sophisticated remote control system. A control center can remotely control and monitor the X-47B, providing flexibility in carrying out missions without compromising the safety of human pilots. In addition, this aircraft can also communicate automatically with other aircraft and receive instructions directly from the base or command center. The X-47B also has the capability to operate autonomously. Using data processing technology and artificial intelligence, the aircraft can obtain information from various sources, analyze situations, and make decisions independently. This allows the X-47B to perform complex reconnaissance missions and gather valuable intelligence. However, despite the advantages in technology and capabilities, the X-47B also faced several challenges. One of them is the legal and ethical issues surrounding the use of drones in combat. The question of responsibility and accountability in cases of damage or civilian casualties caused by drone attacks is still a matter of debate. In conclusion, the X-47B is a sophisticated and expensive unmanned aircraft that is the pride of the United States in military technology. With high levels of stealth, speed, and autonomy, this aircraft takes the concept of aerial warfare to a new level. However, it is important to continue to consider the legal, ethical, and security implications of the use of drones in future combat. In addition, the X-47B also represents a milestone in the development of aviation technology. This aircraft is a clear example of advances in the field of unmanned aircraft and artificial intelligence. The experience and knowledge gained from the development of the X-47B can be applied in developing future unmanned aircraft and expanding the boundaries of aviation technology. Beyond military use, the X-47B could also have potential in a variety of civilian applications. For example, the aircraft can be used for search and rescue missions, environmental surveillance, and border monitoring. Technological advantages and autonomous capabilities can make a significant contribution in various sectors. However, it should be remembered that the presence of the X-47B also raises concerns in terms of cybersecurity and attacks aimed at unmanned aircraft control systems. Careful protection and security measures must be taken to prevent threats to the use of these drones. Overall, the X-47B is an impressive technological feat and a milestone in the development of unmanned aircraft. With high stealth, speed, and autonomy capabilities, this aircraft opens the door for further innovation and development in the world of unmanned aviation. Through judicious and responsible use, the X-47B can contribute to enhancing the United States' national security and superiority in the future. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, click the like comment button and continue to support this channel by subscribing. We will have another video for you soon.